Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to discuss the final term syllabus for pre-nursery or playgroup. So the first topic and the first subject is English. So what you're going to do is you're going to revise the first term letters that they have done previously. So if you want to go and check out the first term syllabus, I've already done a video. I'll put the link of the video in the description box. Okay, so the letters that you need to revise with them is A, B, C, D, E, G, H, L, O, S, and Q. So once they're done with learning the sounds, the writing, you will move on to the next letters, that is F, I, J, K, P, M, L, R, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So you have to make sure that you know the sounds, learn the pictures related to each letter with sounds, writing with hollow and dot to dot tracing. So I have shown what is hollow and dot to dot tracing in my previous video in the first term, so you can go and check that out. And then they have to know the sounds, the phonics with each letter, and make sure that they revise the sounds every day. And cursive lines, you know about the cursive lines, I've mentioned in the previous first term syllabus, so you go see that. The sensory tracing I've already done in one of the videos. You can check out the motor skill activities and forming how to form letters in a sand tray. It is a great idea for a child to form a letter with the help of their fingers. So let's move on to maths. The first thing is number counting from 1 till 50 orally. They have to learn. Correct formation of numbers from 6 till 10. So the correct formation of numbers will be done with hollow writing and dot to dot writing. I've already explained in detail what these two are. So you will be doing matching numbers with numbers, matching of number with quantity, count and circle the correct number, count and write the correct number. Okay, I've already discussed all of this in detail in the first term syllabus. I'm just telling you it's the same format but with increased numbers and letters. The shapes that will be introduced are triangle, star, rectangle, and a diamond. Okay, so let's move on to the concepts. You have seen the previous concept if you're coming from the first term syllabus, so you know what I've introduced in the first term. So in the final term, they're going to do open, close, full, empty, up, down, tall, short, over, and under. So you can show pictures and they can color it and have the concepts with the help of those pictures. So let's move on to science. In science, I've already told you that there are categories for wild animals. Insects was not there, so insect is a new topic. So wild animals and insects and birds, fruits, vegetables, and name of flowers. So in the first term, all the farm animals have already been given, so we are putting insects over here as a category. So for wild animals, for the final term is bear, tiger, hippopotamus, deer, kangaroo. For insects, butterfly, caterpillar, ladybird, mosquito, spider, and honeybee. Birds, crow, pigeon, peacock, hen, sparrow, and macaw. Okay, and for fruits, watermelon, melon, mango, mud apple, muskmelon. For vegetable, green chilies, cauliflower, cabbage, brinjal, ginger, and spring onion. So for the name of flowers, rose, lily, tulip, daisy, lotus, pentuana, sunflower, and pansy. Okay, so let's move on to general knowledge. In the first term, whatever questions I've written over there, you have to revise those questions. No matter how smart they get, you need to revise those questions properly with them. So for the final term, obviously the teacher, she revised the previous topics with the children and asked them every day. So in the final term, you will include the weather. Okay, so rainy, cloudy, sunny, and windy. They should know about the seasons. So once they know about season, you can include all the weathers. And these days they are experiencing a lot of weather around them. So you can teach them whenever there's cloudy or windy. If it's raining, so it's rainy, and if it's hot, so it's sunny. So you can teach these weather with them. And days, I think I didn't mention this in the first term, but days of the week and months of the year, they are also in the first term. Months of the year are the first 6 months, and then in the next month they introduce the rest of the 6 months, and then they put all the months together and they revise it with the children. The professions in this term will be nurse, postman, soldier, and a policeman. So you can show pictures and introduce these professions to your children. So let's move on to Urdu. पहले टर्म में उर्दू में जो है हम लोगों ने अलिफ से खे तक किया था, लिखाई भी और उनको इंट्रोड्यूस भी किया था. इसमें है खे से तक. उसको आपने बताना भी है पिक्चर्स के साथ कि खे से क्या आता है और हे से क्या आता है और दाल से क्या आता है. जो भी हुरूफ खे के बाद शुरू होते हैं, जैसे दाल से लेके से तक, आप उसकी आधी शक्ल नहीं करेंगे. बच्चे को आपने जो है वो डॉट के साथ पहले सिखाना है और फिर वो विदाउट, क्योंकि इसमें आधी शक्ल नहीं होती है. ठीक है. फिर हुरूफ तहज्जी लिखे, फिर आपको उसको उनको लिखवाना है. फिर हुरूफ ये सेम है जिस तरह फर्स्ट टर्म में है, वही स्टेप्स हैं. हुरूफ को हुरूफ से मिलाएं. आप जो हुरूफ लिखेंगे यहाँ पे उसके सामने मिक्स एंड मैच हुरूफ लिखेंगे और बच्चे को उससे मैच करना है. आप फर्स्ट टर्म के सिलेबस में देखिए, उसमें मैंने डिटेल में सब कुछ बताया हुआ है. सही हुरूफ पर दायरा लगाएं. सही हुरूफ को तस्वीर से मिलाएं. 5 से 10 तक गिनती. ठीक है. और बच्चों को आपने अलिफ, जब वो बिल्कुल उनको अच्छी तरह याद हो जाए खे से तक, तो अलिफ से लेके से तक आपने उनको रिवाइज़ करवाना है और उनको लिखवाना है और उनको उनकी सीक्वेंस बतानी है. उनको बताना है कि पहले क्या आता है और दूसरा क्या आता है. ठीक है. और उनके साथ नुक्ते भी आपने उनको बताने हैं. Okay, so let's move on to the last topic, that is Islamiyat. They have to revise the previous topic from first term. You can go check out the syllabus. Make sure that as it's Arabic, so they have to recall the topics along with the final term. Okay, so in the final term we have added first kalma, dua for parents, dua before sleeping, dua for milk. Okay, make sure they know the dua for milk, Surah Ikhlas, and knowledge on our last prophet. Okay, so they have to have the knowledge of who made us, who's the creator of this world, the things that we use for namaz, and in this term I've added knowledge on our last prophet. So yeah, this was the final term syllabus for pre-nursery and playgroup. If you want to see things related to it and worksheets related to it, you can go check out my first term syllabus. And I hope that you enjoyed and this was helpful for the mothers who are homeschooling their children at home. So thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me as always. If you want to see my daily activities I did which I do with my children, so go check out my Instagram page and my Facebook page. The link is in the description box. So yeah, like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.